All right, here we are in Two Rivers, Alaska, and I've got a ginger update for you. Holy cow! She is looking good. We've got just a little bit of a play date this morning with two of the pups. That's 5, and Ginger out there. And we've got Keto kind of as a referee. And then we've got Rambler. Rambler is, he's the umpire. So we've got, let's see, Tig is a spectator. So it's a fun little game this morning. These two, 5 and Ginger, are playing like the dickens. And as you can tell, Ginger looks absolutely fantastic. She's completely recovered from her surgery and she's looking good. So we couldn't be more happy. 5, of course, looks fantastic. Keto! Keto's a rock star. Good dogs. Anyway, just a quick check-in from Two Rivers. Having fun with the dogs.